Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can make the slow-mo videos in the CapCut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your CapCut app. So once you open your CapCut app, you need to select a new project or select a new one. So after you do this, you need to simply tap on the video and the speed option. Choose the curve option, and from there you can select from several other options. However, choose the custom option right there. So once you select the custom option, all you need to do is simply have the beats placed differently. So if you are going to place the beats upside, then the speed will increase. However, for a slow-mo video, you need to place the beats downward sloped. So in this way, you can make slow-mo videos on the CapCut app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.